Shall I tell you about the event of the Kisa, the event of the Prophet's Kisa? He went to the house of his daughter Fatima, and he asked for the Yemeni Kisa. She covered him with the Yemeni Kisa. His face shone like the full moon. Soon after, some others came to join him. Do you want to know who? Then came Hassan and greeted his mother. Salamun alayki ya Ummah. I can smell the nice smell of my grandfather. So he joined him under the Kisa. Then came Hussein and greeted his mother. Salamun alayki ya Ummah.